Introducing CruiseLink 2.0, a more reliable, simplified process for booking air sea passenger cruise flights. Here's how to get started. First, open the credentials email received from the CruiseLink admin to generate your permanent password. Click on the URL shown in the email to take you to the login page. Copy and paste both the email ID and temporary password provided from the email onto the login page. Once both fields are complete, click the Login button. CruiseLink will then ask you to create a new password. Paste the same temporary password given into the old password field. You may then create your new password in the fields provided. Please follow the rules shown below the input section to include all required characters. Press the Save button to complete the process. The application will then relaunch the login page. Please type in your email ID and your new unique password. You're now logged into CruiseLink. Continue from there to search for airfare and complete your bookings. Need assistance to make a booking? Please access the tutorial section and download the CruiseLink 2.0 Quick Starter Guide. Don't forget, GMT's travel agents are always here to help, 24/7, 365, with any emergency your guests may encounter. CruiseLink. Everything you need to make your cruise clients' air reservations simple and easy to navigate.